I wanted to give you a little room tour to show you what it will look like when you do come into my room and the kind of social distancing and safety protocols that will be happening. So I'm going to give you a little tour. Right, so my door 220 is right here. When you enter, you'll notice that the chairs are all 6 feet apart. The desks themselves, or the tables themselves, are 6 feet in length. So there will be 2 people to this kind of table, but there is 6 feet of distance between you both. Hopefully, you may have be able to have your own table. It'll just depend on how many people we have. Right now, I am set up to comfortably fit 15, but if I need to, I can fit more people in the back if we get up to maybe 16 or 17. Which is possible, but probably not probable. But anyways, so over here is one of the 2 sinks I have in the room. I have plenty of soap at all times. You'll notice that there's a clean paintbrush bin and a dirty paintbrush bin. So you'll have your own paintbrushes for your paints, but if you do happen to need another one, you can grab one and use it. Just make sure to put it in the dirty bin afterwards. And generally anything that you use in the classroom, and I'm going to ask you to put at this sink somewhere so that I can later clean it with the disinfectant spray that we have. Because after every class you guys leave, I'll be using this disinfectant spray to spray your table and your chair. I'm going to let it sit for 3 minutes to do its job. And then if a student happens to come in after 3 minutes and there's still some residual cleaner, then I use a rag to wipe it off to make sure you don't get it on your clothing. But that is for that. So that's one sink. There is another sink back there. I do have Clorox wipes, but we mainly use those to wipe off the iPads. I have 2 iPads for student use, but it'll depend on need if we need to use those. We do have some hand sanitizer, but as always, it'll be kinder to your hands if you just wash your hands as normal. But again, this is how I have my room set up. I have my own little area here in the center. It has my computer for me to take attendance and grading and whatnot. And then it also has the projector connected to it, so I'll be projecting onto up here for you guys to see whatever project we're on. And then the Art 1 storage will mainly be over here. You can see you guys already have made folders and packets for each of you, and you're each going to get a plastic baggie as well that will go into there. So you'll have your own little spot. And I think that is about it. Yep. So this is what my classroom will be like if you come for in-person instruction. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.